Hi, I'm Chris Chidzik, and I'm here with IMTS TV, and I'm standing with Sanjay Thakur and Sven Niebaum at Autodesk, and we're going to be talking about Fusion production today. Sven, could you tell me a little bit about Autodesk?
Yeah, Autodesk is a California-based software company. We have three major divisions: a media and entertainment division, architecture and construction division, and we are here today with the division design and manufacturing.
Awesome. And Sanjay, could you tell me a little bit about Fusion production?
Yeah, absolutely. So it's software that combines production, scheduling, job tracking, and machine monitoring, and it combines it into a single cloud-based tool. And really the objective is to give design, manufacturing, and operation teams real-time visibility into their production and instant access to their data.
Awesome. And now what kind of challenges can this software solve?
That's a great point. So the reason we developed the software in the first place was to firstly address challenges associated with tracking parts throughout a factory, knowing work in progress, the status, and being able to locate parts in a factory. Also being able to understand your capacity, being able to respond to changes quickly, because we all know the machine shop's an environment that can be susceptible to unplanned downtime through machine tool breakages, tool breakages. Also challenges around improving manufacturing processes and also increasing machine utilization.
Awesome. Now, I have a product that requires multiple machines to be manufactured. Does this software track it based on product or based on the actual machine itself?
So it's a great point. So you can track the jobs by job specifically, and you can follow their progress as they make their way around the factory, go to different machines. But we also have data streams directly coming from the machines themselves. So in essence, 2 data streams from the factory, and that way you can really get a good understanding of performance on the shop floor.
Awesome. Now, how can I actually access this data and view it?
So Fusion Production is a purely cloud-based product. It's accessible in every browser what you have on your PC, but we have also native apps on tablets and mobile clients for the operators on the shop floor. You could replace every paper what you have on the shop floor. Scanning a QR code on the machine, you know what's ongoing on the machine, so it's easy on. You send us an email, we're setting up your account, and then 5 minutes later you can start working with the product.
Awesome. And I can just walk onto the shop floor with my cell phone and get data?
Yeah, the only thing what you need to pull down is from the Google Play Store, the app based on Android mobiles, and then you need to have an account, obviously, with us at Autodesk and Fusion Production, and then you can get started with it.
Cool. And now what kind of value would this be adding to my company?
So, as Sanjay described, you get a lot of transparency in your shop. You know what's actually happening. You do not need to search for the paper. You can actually get directly information on your mobile client. So you can react much faster, what leads you to a more operational effectiveness. Our customer sees normally 10 to 50% increase in overall equipment efficiency, or 40% more throughput in the shop.
Awesome. Now, I'm a small job shop. Is this appropriate for me, or is this something for larger manufacturers?
We initially targeted this product for the smaller job shops to get up and running really easily, because this kind of projects are normally taking 6 months to a year and cost you $1 million to set up this kind of technology. With us, you get it with a subscription, instant on. You pay what you use, and you do not need to pay a big environment with infrastructure. So it's especially for job shops, but bigger companies, they have often a job shop environment. They can use that as well. If you're having a machine shop in your bigger account, then you can use this product as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. That was Sanjay Thakur and Sven Niebaum of Autodesk, and I'm Chris Chidzik of IMTS TV.